We are a personal injury firm that handles personal injury claims and financial loss claims. We've been in business for over 20 years. We handle Maritime and Jones Act cases, 18-wheelers and automobile accident cases. We're a success because we've been in business 20 years and it helped many clients with their personal injury claims and financial loss claims. We're zealous advocates. We fight every day against corporate America and big insurance companies. We have a team approach that we take to these cases, and we're not afraid to take your case to trial. If you've had an injury case or some type of financial loss, feel free to call us for a free consultation. We'll be glad to sit down and talk with you. Thank you very much.